Is it just me, or is there something wrong with shopping bags? They're either not strong enough or old-fashioned and very bulky. Or they simply choose to stay at home when you most need them. And let's be honest, they're not particularly environmentally friendly either. Will anyone ever fix this shit? Introducing AirBag, world's strongest reusable bag. With capacity of 30 liters, it can hold more than your mountaineering backpack. Ripstop and super stretchable, its material is a real rocket science. AirBag is made from the special fiber NASA uses for astronaut gear. Yet it's incredibly durable and ultra light. In fact, AirBag is so strong, it can carry up to 220 pounds, or even more. But the best things about AirBag is its unique style and versatility. It can match any outfit, lifestyle, or personality. So you will never want to forget your reusable bag at home again. AirBag, world's first shopping bag turned into high-end fashion. Ultra light, ultra strong, ultra stylish. Designed in London, handmade in Europe. AirBag, back now to get 40% off or cry later.